Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys. Hopefully you're doing well. So today we're going to start our first journey on this subject, CHM271, Principal Physical Chemistry, Chapter 1, Thermodynamics. So what you will learn from this chapter, you will be able to understand the concept and a few calculation. Yeah. So for the concept, you're going to understand what is thermodynamic, what are the types of system that exist, and then the first law of thermodynamic, second law of thermodynamic. Actually, thermodynamic they have three law, but we only covered two laws saja. Alright. So some of these words may seem macam intimidating you, but it's actually nothing, just a fancy words. Okay, we're going to hopefully our journey is smooth lah. Alright. So first kita tengok understand definition of thermodynamics. What is thermodynamics? So thermodynamics is a study of energy changes of the chemical or physical processes. Alright. In the real words, I can say that when you have a chemical reaction or any reaction, either without physical changes or if you can see there are changes in color. So during that process, actually there are some energy being changed inside the ataupun ada berlakunya perubahan tenaga dalam proses tu. So that is thermodynamic. We're going to study the energy tu. Okay, you tak study apa hasil dia, tapi you are study the energy. Okay, if you still remember, energy ni dia ada few types kan, right? Dia ada kinetic energy, potential energy, chemical energy, apa lagi? Electrical energy, and few if you can still remember. Saya tak remember dah. Okay, saya remember yang penting je. Alright. So, in this study, kita akan tengok, biasanya kita akan tengok dari segi potential dan juga kinetic lah. Alright. So, before we start, kita kena faham dulu system and surrounding. So, these are universe. Okay, sembenda kat ni yang you nampak sekarang, let's say it is a universe. Okay. Now, we want to study a system. For example, myself. Okay, saya sebagai system. Outside my skin, di luar daripada saya punya kulit ni, all we call it as a surrounding. So, in thermodynamic, what we are studying, we're studying the energy changes inside my body. Apa yang berlaku dalam perubahan badan saya, sama ada makin panas ke, makin sejuk ke. Itu yang kita kaji dalam thermodynamic. Atau kalau dalam physics atau chemistry ni, kalau you nak terai, contoh yang lebih scientific adalah a glass of water or ice water in a beaker. Okay? So, letakkan ais dalam air. And then, ini adalah you punya sistem. You nak kaji perubahan kat sini. Right, outside ni semua surrounding. Okay. So, between system and surrounding, there are boundary. Kita panggil dia boundary. So, boundary kat sini adalah bekas ni. Beaker ke gelas ke tak kisahlah. Okay, itu adalah boundary. Dia distinguish between the system and surrounding. Kalau dalam biology, badan kita punya boundary adalah kita punya skin lah. Kulit kita. Alright. So, system, surrounding. What is system? System is the specific part of the universe that interests in the study, and the surrounding is the rest of universe other than that. Yeah? Alright. So, in this chemistry, physical chemistry, kita akan kaji perubahan daripada segi matter and energy. Okay. Sama ada the energy or the matter are leaving the system or entering the system. Okay. So, there are three types of system. Ada tiga. The first one is open system. Next is closed system. And then isolated system. So, in open system, what you will understand, in this system, the matter and the energy can be exchanged with the surrounding. So, this is your system, SYS system. Outside is the surrounding. So dalam sistem ni kita nak kaji energy. So energy, kalau kita pegang gelas ni, which is the boundary, kalau dia air sejuk, we can feel the heat being absorbed kan. So cold, sejuk, okay. Ataupun panas contoh. So itu sebenarnya yang berlaku adalah heat transfer. Okay. Bila heat transfer, it means energy can be exchanged to surrounding. And then you nampak pula asap ataupun water vapor. Bahasa sains dia water vapor. So this water vapor is a matter. So when energy and matter can be exchanged to surrounding or with surrounding, we call it as a open system. Alright. The next one is a closed system. Closed system, nak faham lebih mudah, something with lid on. Something yang ada penutup ataupun tertutup. Right? Sebab tu nama dia closed system. Okay. So in closed system, what can be transferred? Di antara dua je, energy or matter. So closed system, energy can be transferred. Okay. So you can feel either it is hot or cold or anything lah, energy kat situ. Alright. But the matter cannot be transferred. Sebab dia ada lid ni, so cannot transfer the matter. In this case, kalau air panas tadi, water vapor tak akan keluar lah. Alright. So itu juga adalah example in daily life, ya. Alright. And the next system, which is isolated system. So isolated system, this one, neither energy nor matter can be exchanged with the surrounding. Ini bahasa cantik lah. Bahasa ni, both energy and matter cannot be exchanged with the surrounding. You can use simple word for this distinguishing between the types of system. Okay, kalau you nak bezakan type of system, you can use your simple word. Make sure you tak confuse lah antara open dan close. Ya, banyaknya open, close dan isolated ni you confuse with this can and cannot or neither lah, either lah. Perkataan-perkataan English simple word ni banyak yang selalu tersilap. Rugi tau. Banyak yang salah sebab benda yang simple macam tu saja. Bukan tak tahu tapi sebab tersalah penggunaan perkataan. So you use your own simple words. Example dia pun, tengok kalau open benda yang terbuka, close benda yang tertutup. Isolated, kalau nak ingat, is something with insulator on. Yang ada wool ke, gabus ke, apa ke. Kan? Itu kita panggil dia isolated. Dia terasing kalau bahasa Melayu dia. Alright. So, before I go further, I stop here. The next one we're going to see on the first law of thermodynamics. So, to be continued.